Welcome back to Benidorm town. Today we'll walk around Rincon de Loix towards the Levante Beach. And our walk is starting right by the brand new club, the Bank. We've showed it to you in the evening time once it opened up to see it in all its glory with a lot of lights. But now it's daytime, and as you can see, it is still open. Practically, it's 11 in the morning, and it is quite busy here on the streets of Rincon de Loix. It is quite chilly outside. It's approximately, well, I would say 12 degrees right now on the streets, so it's not as warm as it should be. The terraces are all ready to go. Look at that, they even have some entertainment here. That's actually nice. Start having some live music. Wow, good for them. This is definitely gonna make the place way more vivid. Obviously, they're just starting, so hopefully everything works out really well for them. Some cocktail prices here, as you can see. We'll be checking out a lot of different places here around Rincon and the Levante Beach. We'll be seeing the average atmosphere of what's happening, what's going on, how does it look like right now when the March months just started, and the prices of different offers that we can see in numerous bars. The general atmosphere, if it's busy, if it's not. Definitely, I can say that the Red Door might not be too happy about the brand new bar nearby, because here we have some prices, offers, deals, bucket deals, 5 Amstel, 5 San Miguel, Budweiser, etc. Ooh, there's people out there. Obviously, it is also clear that some of the local businesses will not benefit at all with the opening of the bank. Like, as you can see, it's slightly bigger on the screen, slightly more things in one single frame. This is how Rincon de Loix looks like right now. Obviously, it is slightly cloudy. Slightly would be saying nothing. It is cloudy in the area, and there was no wind, but you'll see it in the news update this evening. Don't miss it, by the way. We have a yellow alert, and it's definitely might be getting slightly more ugly this day. So far, no wind, but the wind should be rising, and there should be coastal phenomenon, as they call them. So you never know, what does this mean? Does it mean strong waves? Does it mean strong wind? Means storms, rain? What's it gonna be? We don't know. It just says coastal phenomenon. So there you go. It will be a surprise of what's going to be happening. Obviously, we'll see it throughout today and tomorrow, because that's for when the yellow alert is actually valid for these dates. A lot of businesses here in Rincon are opening up more and more of those. And that is all because technically, we are starting slowly but surely the new touristic season. And by third week of March, usually even hotels that were closed for winter will be opening back again. A lot of bars, restaurants, cafeterias, those that did close down are reopening. Some of the nightclubs and pubs are opening too, especially on weekend. Mostly, maybe not the whole entire week, but on weekend, yes. And from now onwards, it's just gonna be increasing amount of people every single day. Even the British street does look quite vivid so far as we could have seen a little bit, but look at the Rincon. Look at the amount of people here on Midday. It is a constant movement of people back and forth. Plenty of tourists are here. And it's not even a market day, which was yesterday, which is what Sunday was. A lot of caravans too. We actually do speak about it in the news update, so check it out. It's going to be very interesting. A very unexpected for many news about the caravans in all this area of Benidorm, Villajoyosa, Altea, Albir, up to Elche and Santa Pola. Definitely worth checking it out if you are a caravan fan or if you know someone who uses a mobile home to move and travel around. Really, really busy at this point. Quite a lot of tourists, actually, of all different types of ages. We see some groups, we see families traveling. Not as many families with kids, honestly, even though we still do see those, especially on weekends, like a short getaway, if you wish. But overall, it's more families without kids, groups of friends, or just solo travelers or couples. That's what we see the most right now here in the city. But we cannot help but noticing on how busy it actually gets. We have to run fast because it was green and now it's red back again. So all of a sudden it didn't even give us time to actually pass through the pedestrian sidewalk. Lovely supermarkets, 24 hours. We like these ones. Love them because they all have prices. This is London Paris, I think it's called. And I know that the person who works here is our subscriber too. So hi if you're watching this, but overall they do work great. They have all the prices set. Everything's crystal clear. They have actually very good prices. So this would be one of the few places that we would definitely recommend you to buy something in case you need to, right here on the Mediterranean Avenue. Quite a lot of more shops here. This is the exterior shopping mall of Rincón de Loix. Not too many services. There are actually quite a bit. There's tattoo shops, as you can see right here. There's Amigo 24 rental. There is Butterfield scooter rental. There is UPS. There is jewelry shops. There's hairdressers, aesthetics, and I'm not sure what else. Oh, and the luggage saving place where you're able to actually put on some luggage while you are enjoying the walk around Benidorm. And this is actually a very good service. It's like locks, like place where you put your luggage and all the belongings in a special like boxes. You close it down with a key, with like a code, and that's it. And you just go around, enjoy, and when the time comes, you just pick up your suitcase, your luggage, and your belongings, and that's that. And you're able to go to the bus or a shuttle bus towards the airport, which is actually a very, very good service, and it's located right here nearby the beach in this hidden shopping mall of Rincon de Loix. We actually have a full video about it here on the channel if you didn't see just yet. Just search it as shopping mall Rincon de Loix, and you'll definitely find it out. Really, really nice, by the way. And there are some lovely typical Spanish cafeterias inside for some nice Spanish breakfast. Meanwhile, we are already on the Levante Beach. We're at the beginning of the Levante Beach here in Rincon de Loix. By the way, there's toilets right here on the entrance, and then more or less halfway through the Levante Beach, there's another ones like these, and then at the end. So like in specific certain points, there's different public toilets. Obviously, it's not enough, but usually people, when they go to any kind of business here on the beach, they grab some water, they grab some drinks or something, and they can use the service of any of the establishment here on the Levante Beach. So it's not such a big issue, honestly, for a lot of people. Meanwhile, the beginning of the Levante Beach looks quite busy. There's an ambulance out there, but it's not going super strong, so I guess it's not an emergency. Maybe just goes to someone to check something out, probably. The beach does look quite empty today, at least this side. Usually it's packed up with people, and that is all because it is really, really cloudy. As you can see, the whole entire sky is covered. There's not a single part where we would see some blue skies. Something that we do not really enjoy, honestly. We would love to have some sunshine, but I guess it's just not the day today for this type of weather. A lot of people here on the promenade, though, those who are having walks, doing some sports, just enjoying the weather, but it's slightly cold outside, not gonna lie. It is slightly cold, and some people, they go outside, in summer clothes, but for others it's just really, really cold. and some nice hoodies, something to cover up, usually plays an important role on how cozy you will feel on the streets of Benidorm. Luckily, so many shops nearby, you're able to get it in no time to warm up a little bit more. Some breakfast options, coffees, happy hours in our Bikini Beach. This is one of our favorite places. They have very, very good food, actually. They have pizzas where they make them from scratch, and they have their own pizza oven, by the way. They put all the ingredients from scratch, everything, which is actually great. In some places, people are afraid pizzas will be frozen and like pre-made. But here, you actually go and choose the ingredients. And then, obviously, if you want some specific type of pizza, they will just prepare it for you here on the spot with the ingredients that they have. And it's not going to be something that's pre-frozen. You know, it's going to be a fresh batch of pizza, which does improve its taste. So definitely something to consider when you're going to a restaurant, cafeteria, snack place, and you want to grab some pizza. Ask if they have their own oven or if they do it here from scratch or not. This will definitely make a difference for you guys. Apart from that, we can see a very, very vivid Levante Beach promenade. Yesterday was also extremely busy. It was Sunday, which is more or less understandable. We've shown you a video from the other side of the Levante Beach by the old town, and definitely we've had to stop at some points. We've had to move left, right, and search our way in between of different groups of people that were, all of them, here on the Levante Beach. So definitely was really, really busy. Some nice typical Spanish restaurant like Artigas too. We've been here previously. We've shown you a menu of the day in this specific place. Obviously not a breakfast option, but menu of the day, yes. So that you would be able to see how it looks like, how many plates there are, what type of quality, better to say, the food has, the service, the pricing, etc. Just to see if it's actually a valid place where to go and spend your hardly earned holiday money. And we did this with a lot of restaurants here on the Levante Beach. It was actually great. We were able to discover so many places. But apart from that, there's also bars, cafeterias, places that are for groups of friends or couples, places that people love, small, cozy ones like these ones nearby, like Lil Bob's or the Beach Terrace. Here they have English breakfast, Scottish breakfast, veggie breakfast, which is actually quite nice. Not gonna lie, a lot of people are searching for a nice breakfast with good views, and that's what these places have. Chicken and curry with rice and jugs and beers and nachos and pizzas and a little bit of everything. That's Lazy Cow right here. And then we have Sol Beach, which also have their own pizza oven, if I'm not wrong. And they serve giraffes, giant jugs of beer. They have beer buckets, happy hours. This is the same company that has the Bikini Beach. It's the same owners. So obviously, more or less, it's going to be a similar thing. Handmade pizza, see? Barbecue ribs, house burgers, coffees of different kind. Usually there's loud music here in summer, but honestly, in summer, where else would you not find it? Loud music, it's everywhere. Levante Beach is really loud in summer. But that's because each and every single place will put some music on the terrace, and then it combines all of it, and it's just a whole lot of noise. But it just makes it like a holiday destination, you know, when people arrive here. Loud music, nice holiday atmosphere feeling. That's what brings a lot of people to these nearby businesses. Levante Beach, practically empty today. As mentioned, we are in a yellow alert. We'll see if we're going to be rising to the orange one. So far, it's just yellow as for right now. And honestly, we're used to it already. Other people would say, oh my goodness, it's an alert here. Nah, see, there's even boats. in the sea going to and from Benidorm's island, and no one seems to care. There is a yellow alert, so that's perfectly fine. And we are almost unbothered by this situation. I think that after all the storms that we've had here in the month of January, unless it's like that storms, we are unbothered by a little bit of wind, by some coastal phenomenons that we don't know what it actually would mean because there is nothing else specifically here. Maybe rain, maybe some waves, maybe some wind, who knows? But unless it's like very bad, people still go out to the streets, people enjoy it, and this is like a typical day in Benidorm town, with an exception that, well, it's not sunny. But apart from that, we are all good, and many people are here enjoying some lovely walks around the beach, breathing some fresh air, enjoying the views, going to their favorite bars and cafeterias. This is how March and calendar spring actually started. But it's definitely really vivid here in Benidorm, which is a great news for a lot of those who are arriving here shortly. Don't miss today's Benidorm news update this evening on our channel. Stay tuned.